Welcome back, students. Get ready for a successful year ahead by tuning in for fun and easy tech hacks to excel in school. First thing first, subscribe to the Avery Review and share with your friends. Number 1. Siri pronunciation. Teach Siri how to say names correctly by saying, "That's not how you pronounce name," and providing the correct pronunciation. Number 2. Instant Wi-Fi boost. Place your router in a central, elevated location to enhance Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Number 3. Screen magnifier. On your smartphone, enable the screen magnifier feature for easy reading of small text or viewing details. Number 4. Custom ringtones. Assign unique ringtones to important contacts, allowing you to identify callers without checking your phone. Number 5. Text-to-speech. Enable text-to-speech on your ebooks to have your device read books to you while multitasking. Number 6. QR code. Scanner. Use your smartphone's camera app to scan QR codes without needing a dedicated scanner app. Number 7. Smartphone. Camera level. Turn on your smartphone's built-in camera level to capture perfectly aligned photos and videos. Number 8. Auto tab closure. Press Ctrl+W or Command+W on Mac to quickly close tabs on your web browser. Number 9. Subscribe to our channel and never miss a tech hack. Stay updated with the latest tricks to make life smarter. Number 10. Mouse speed. Control. Adjust your mouse pointer speed in settings for more precise control. For more tech hacks to make you level up your coolness, subscribe to the Avery Review.